Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. For today's episode of Ranch Recipe, we're going to cook yum Woon Sen or Thai grass noodle salad. The ingredients are very simple. The main one is vermicelli bean threads or glass noodle made of mung bean powder, which is very healthy. For protein, I love to use the ground pork, shrimps, and the pork cake or pork pate roll. This is my favorite. Here are all the ingredients. First, we're going to prepare the grass noodles by soaking them in room temperature water for about 10 minutes to soften it. Cut it couple times to shorten them. Now it's time to boil it per package instruction. For this one, the instruction calls for 8 minutes. While we're waiting for the noodles to be cooked, we're going to prepare the Thai salad dressing. All you have to do is just put all of the ingredients into a bowl, mix it well together, and that's about it. If you don't have palm sugar, regular sugar or brown sugar works fine. Mix it well and it's done. It's supposed to be sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. The noodles are cooked now. I'm fishing it out and drain it with cold water to stop the cooking process. After the noodles are cold, I will let it drain for a while. It's time to prep our veggies. Just put all the veggies in the salad bowl. Next step, we are going to cook the protein. First, I'm going to cook shrimps with a little bit of water. It's going to take about 2 to 3 minutes. Here you go, it's almost done. Okay, it's done here. I'm gonna scoop it and put it directly to the bowl that we have vegetable there. Next one, I'm going to get a ground pork in there. And the same thing, we're gonna cook it until it's cooked. So it's gonna take about 1 to 2 minutes. Let's see. If you need to put a little bit more water, feel free to do so. It's all cooked now. So again, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl that we prepare. Next is pork cake. For this one, I can put a little bit of water. And this kind of, the pork is cooked already. We just warm it up, that's all. A little bit juice is fine. Vegetable, protein, and now it's our silver noodles that we cooked it already. This one is dry shrimp. It's a dressing that we mix it, so we're gonna pour it all over. Now you're just gonna toss it. You can put more meat, more salad, more vegetable. It's totally your choice. Topping it with roasted peanut makes it even better. We are done with yum Woon Sen or Thai glass noodle salad. It looks yummy. Let me try it. It is so delicious. I guarantee you're gonna love it. This is a real Thai salad. Enjoy. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.